First things first, when considering lifting a vehicle, you want to be sure to be safe. So, we're going to put chocks on the tires. If you're not sure which way the vehicle is going to roll on you, better to be safe than sorry. Now that the wheels are chalked, we need to find a point to jack the vehicle out. Typically, you can do this on the frame on either side of the vehicle, or you can do it on a lower subframe underneath the motor. Some vehicles have that. With rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive vehicles, you can also jack up on the rear differential to lift the vehicle evenly. For this Dodge Charger that I'm working on, I'm just jacking up on the lower subframe. If you recognize my jack, you already know, I'm just utilizing a Harbor Freight special to get the job done. Safety tip number 2 is to always use jack stands. If the control valve on your jack accidentally comes loose or fails, the vehicle will slowly over time come down on you or drop rapidly, and you definitely don't want that happening. On this Charger, I'm just going to use the lower subframe in order to support the vehicle. Now with both jack stands in place, go ahead and slowly lower the vehicle right on top of them. Be sure that they're in place and not leaning or tilting too much before you lower your jack all the way. On this vehicle, I'm just going to jack up the rear by utilizing the rear differential. If you don't have much space because you're working in a garage like I am, just go ahead and put the jack in from the side. If you're not sure what I meant by rear differential, or what some refer to as the pumpkin, it's this part underneath the rear of the car. It'll have drive axles going to each rear wheel for rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive vehicles. It'll also have a drive shaft connected going to the gearbox to deliver power from the engine to the rear wheels.